Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever heard that something as simple as baking soda could help heal your kidneys and lower creatinine levels almost instantly? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, stay tuned because in this video, we're going to uncover the shocking benefits of baking soda and how it can be a lifesaver for your kidneys. Plus, make sure to stick around for a special bonus tip at the end that you won't want to miss. What is creatinine and why it's important? Before we dive into the benefits of baking soda, let's first understand what creatinine is. Creatinine is a waste product that is produced by protein and muscle breakdown and filtered out of our blood by your kidneys. Healthy kidneys remove creatinine from your body through urine. But when your kidneys aren't working well, creatinine levels can build up in your blood. High creatinine levels are a sign that your kidneys may be in trouble. According to studies, high creatinine levels can lead to kidney disease and other serious health issues if not managed properly. It's important to keep your kidneys healthy to avoid these problems. How baking soda helps your kidneys. Now let's talk about how baking soda comes into the picture. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural substance that helps balance the pH levels in your body. This is where it gets interesting. When your kidneys aren't working well, the acids in your body can build up. This can cause a lot of problems for your kidneys. Baking soda helps neutralize this acid, giving your kidneys a break from working so hard. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that people with chronic kidney disease who took baking soda daily saw a significant improvement in kidney function. Isn't that amazing? How it works. Baking soda reduces the acidity in your blood, making it easier for your kidneys to filter out waste products like creatinine. This helps to lower creatinine levels and improves overall kidney health. So, in simple words, baking soda acts like a helper for your kidneys, making their job easier. How to use baking soda for kidney health. Okay, so now you know that baking soda can help your kidneys, but how do you actually use it? It's very simple. Method 1. Start with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it into a glass of water. Drink this mixture once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. This helps your body get rid of the acids that can harm your kidneys. It's important to start with small amounts and gradually increase as your body gets used to it. Method 2. Some doctors recommend using baking soda capsules. These are available at most health food stores. Remember, before starting any new treatment, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor, especially if you have kidney problems. Benefits beyond kidneys. Believe it or not, baking soda doesn't just help your kidneys, it has a bunch of other health benefits too. Let's take a quick look. Heartburn relief. Baking soda can act as a natural antacid. It neutralizes stomach acid, giving you relief from heartburn and indigestion. Enhances physical performance. Did you know that athletes sometimes use baking soda to improve their performance? It helps reduce fatigue and increase endurance by balancing the pH levels in muscles. Supports immune system. Baking soda has been found to support the immune system by reducing inflammation in the body. This can help you fight off infections and stay healthy. Alkalizes your body. An alkaline body is less likely to experience inflammation and diseases. By drinking baking soda water, you can help maintain a balanced pH level. Scientific backing for baking soda's benefits. Let's get into some more science. Several studies have looked into how baking soda helps the kidneys. For example, a study from London's Royal London Hospital found that patients with kidney disease who took baking soda supplements were able to slow the progression of their disease. Another study published in the National Institutes of Health also found that taking baking soda daily improved kidney function and lowered creatinine levels significantly. These studies show us that baking soda isn't just an old wives' tale. It's backed by real science. Bonus tip. As promised, here's a bonus tip for those who've stuck around till the end. While baking soda is incredibly helpful for your kidneys, it's important to pair it with a healthy diet. Eating foods that are rich in antioxidants and low in sodium can further support your kidney health. Blueberries, red bell peppers, garlic, cauliflower, cranberries. Incorporate these foods into your daily meals, along with your baking soda regimen to maximize your kidney health. Dear friends, if you want to know more about foods that support kidney health, you can watch 10 Superfoods for Healthy Kidneys, Kidney Superfoods in our channel, link in description, and of course, in the end screen. Now that you know how something as simple as baking soda can work wonders for your kidneys, why not give it a try? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.